Okay, hi. So we are gonna talk about SEO. What is it? Search engine optimization. So let's dive into it. Well, SEO is basically an act which we have to perform in order to get traffic from search engines. Search engines such as Google, YouTube, Amazon, and so on. So SEO is basically an act which we have to perform in order to get free traffic from these websites. So now the question arises that how you can do this or how we can do this. So we can do this by making our content more relevant to the audience and what people are searching on the internet. So first we have to find out what people are actually searching, and then search engine jobs is to get the best content for them on that same platform. So what we have to do is to make our content more relevant for the people who are searching for it. And when they find our content, we have to increase the authority of our content in the next step. So whatever you are sharing on the internet, whether it's a blog post, a YouTube video, or a product that you are selling, we have to make sure that it is popular. For example, if you search on the Google beard oil, you can see on the screen on the top of here, the products that you can see are sponsored products. People have actually paid for it. This is not SEO. Now you can see we have websites on the top and we have some articles that you can see on these websites as well as videos. Now the fun fact is that the top 5 videos and articles are having 75% of all traffic on Google. So don't you want your article or video over there? Exactly. Now the same goes for Amazon. So here you can see on the top the list of all of these products that are very popular here. They have most number of reviews, most number of stars. Company has actually used SEO in a very well manner and they are using it and getting more sales from it. Same goes for the YouTube. So on the YouTube you can see the ad on the top over here, which is an ad, not an SEO. Now you can see videos which having the most number of engagements on the top. So this is how you use SEO and make your content popular. Now this is some different kind of SEO that we'll be talking in this course. For now you just have to know that you have to make your content more popular. Now the next thing that we are going to talk about is technical optimization. So technical optimization is basically the entire process that you do behind your website, your YouTube channel, or your Amazon account. And in this way you help your platform to make you rank on it. And this is what the entire process of SEO is, and it is called technical optimization. In upcoming videos, we will be discussing more about it in detail. For now, thank you so much and follow the playlist and subscribe to the channel.